Welcome back, everybody. Thank you for watching another video. Tonight we're going to be checking out this awesome budget folding EDC knife from BARRYSAIL. And as always, guys, if at the ending of the video you want to purchase this awesome folding EDC knife from BARRYSAIL and help support the channel, make sure you check out the link in the description below because you do get a commission if you purchase this knife. And before getting started, just want to thank the good folks out at BARRYSAIL for sending me this knife to review. Let's get started. Let's begin with a quick size reference just so you get a better idea for the overall size of this knife. Here it is next to a large permanent marker. Let's have a look at them side by side vertically so you can compare the overall width of the knife versus the permanent marker. Let's take a rough measurement here from tip to tip with the knife closed. That looks about even there. There's 4 inches there. Looks like we got just about 4.5 inches overall length with the blade closed. Let's have a look with the blade open next to the large permanent marker. And back to vertical with the knife open. And you can really see right against this large permanent marker the curvature of the grip here and the width compared next to the permanent marker as well. And let's take a rough measurement here from the tip of the blade to the end of the handle. Got 7 inches right here. And slide that over. It looks like we got 7 3/4 overall length with the blade open. Let's have a look at the top of the knife here just to give you a better idea for the overall thickness of this knife. All right, so here is a pair of chopsticks. This is the thicker side. It should be pretty close to that. Maybe just a smidge thicker. Let's run a ruler across here, see if we can get more of an idea how thick it is. That looks like it's just about 1/2 inch thick. Let's have a look at the thickness of the spine right here over in the thumb ramp area where your jimping is located. Looks like I can fit just about 2/4 on there. Maybe it's just a little bit thinner than that. Let's take a rough measurement. Let's get right on the jimping and see what we get. Looks like it's just about 1/8 of an inch thick. All right, let's get this knife on the scale so you know how much weight you're going to be putting in your pocket. Overall weight coming in at 4.2 ounces. And just in case you're wondering what 4.2 ounces might feel like, well, if you got a couple of AA batteries around the house, weighs almost as much as 5 of those. Let's have a look at your opening mechanism. Simple flipper lever here. That's what this little fin right here is, and you're just going to yank down on top of it. Nice smooth opening. The blade is pivoting on a ball bearing system. That's what makes it so smooth and fast. Locking mechanism is a liner lock. To close this, all you got to do is move this on the side. Closing this with one hand is a breeze. Let's have a look up front at the blade, starting off over in the thumb ramp area, just to give you guys a close-up of the jimping here. Turn that sideways so you can see how high they go. Feels pretty good. Wish there was a little bit more of them though. Here's a look at the taper. Right, thick to thin, drop point blade, and beautiful black stonewash finish. Stonewash being one of my favorite finishes because it does a great job at hiding the kind of damage you can put on a blade. Let's have a look at the blade from the front here, and we have a really long swedge here, right at the top. And this is pretty much a flat grind right up to the shoulder, meaning that there's no curvature here. Right, it's absolutely flat. And these are really easy to maintain and sharpen. And because there's more mass behind this edge, this is going to be a really sturdy slicer. And we have a massive finger choil up here, making it really safe for you to creep up here and really get better control over your knife edge when you're doing more detailed knife work. Look at the size of that thing. And it really also helps sharpen the entire edge length from the tip down to the heel. Steel type being used up front is D2, still currently being used in things like drill bits and jackhammer bits, with well over 1% carbon and 12% chromium. Your edge retention and your corrosion resistance is going to be really good. And as we're going to see in just a second, takes a nice edge. Let's have a look at these grips. Got milled out G10. All right, if we tip this sideways, we can see that there is a little bit of a swell here, a little bit of a curvature. Beautiful milling done here. Let's open this up, and we can see that in the linings, we have some skeletonization on both sides to save on weight. Nice, comfortable grip. Just a really subtle arch here coming down to a point. More than enough space for all 4 fingers. And remember, you can choke up here too as well. That grip feels really nice in the hand. We got black hardware. Here's a look at the pivot. Pretty sweet looking star right there. Nice little touch. They've done a great job in making sure that the screws are nested so you don't feel anything there on both sides. Right, you don't feel any of that there. And no backspacer. They went with standoffs. Love the way that looks. Here is a look at your pocket clip. Slight skeletonization there with these holes. And this should carry pretty deep with just this point sticking up just a little bit. Here's a profile view there. Pretty simple clip. Not reversible to the other side. And this will be tip down carry. Here's a quick look at what this knife will look like when you jam it down there in your pocket. Right, sticks up just a little bit there, making it very easy to pluck this out and deploy the blade. Here's a look at the profile. And back over to the front. All right, let's check out the sharpness of this factory edge. Oh, that is smooth, guys. No toothiness. Maybe I can get one more here. Oh, man. You can just tell by the sound, it is so sharp. With the sharpness of this edge, it should have no problems cutting through some paracord. I'm going to try to get it right on the belly. Easy deasy. All right, let's try to cut through some cardboard. Oh, easily. Can I get one more? Flip it over. Absolutely no problem. Once again, guys, this folding EDC knife is made by BARRYSAIL. Really durable, comfortable G10 scales, nice comfortable handle, and they give you a steel that's going to give you really good edge retention. If you're looking for a medium to large EDC knife, this could be a great option for you. Well, alright guys, this is the ending of the video. Remember, if you want to purchase this awesome knife from BARRYSAIL and help support the channel, make sure you check out the link in the description below. Thank you for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video.